So now I'm going to take you to the website, how it has been designed. Let's have a tour to the website. So we start with, we write in this browser the website name as www.proton.co.in/training and one more slash. The same name I have given in the link as well, so you can refer that. Now enter. We land onto the front page of the website. It may take a few seconds to get here because the website is under construction a bit, and we are working on improving the speed of the website. But we land on this page, and now from here we will proceed. So like a normal website, this website also has got tabs like home, about us, then subscribe, blogs. We are also thinking of having a forum wherein you can put your questions. We are also thinking of having blogs wherein at present I am writing the blogs, but we will be encouraging the blogs from the stress engineers from the other companies as well. Then here your own account, your own login, and here our contact detail. So I'm not going to go through each and everything. I'm just going to tell you how to get till the course. If we scroll down a bit, we have why we should get trained. You can read this later. If you further go down, then it's a advanced pipe stress analysis course. At present we have only one course. Slowly we will be adding the courses. Now if you go a little bit further up, now this is the syllabus. Okay, so these modules, at present we have designed this course with 20 modules, which covers all the subjects or the topics which I placed on my YouTube video. So if you just click here, it's a drop down menu wherein about that particular module we have written in detail that what we are exactly going to learn here. For example, in the first lecture we will be learning into like a modulus of elasticity, displacement field, stress field, strength field, the type of stresses, moment of inertia, etc. And definitely who should take this course. So based on each and every module, the syllabus is given in elaborative way. You can just go through that, and this is the total syllabus: flange leakage, stress intensification factors, pipe rack loading. Now this is the one which new we have added, pipe rack loading and platform loading, which was not there in the list of syllabus which we mentioned on the YouTube. Now once you are satisfied with this, we need to go for a subscription. So you can either click here, or there is a the radio button here, subscribe. So I click on that. We land on this page, and here we go. Now as we told you that this course is having a special offer, discount offer, which will be valid for only 7 days. After that the course fees will get changed. So we say take this course. So when you say that, it asks you, have you signed up with our website or not? So you have to become a member first by clicking sign up. We land on the page called register. The same page you can even go by just clicking register here, and here you need to fill your details. Now I'm going to put some details of mine itself, some dummy details. You get a message, activate your account. It means you need to go to your email address which you have put in and activate the account. So in your email box you will find a email from us, training Proton Synergy, and you need to click on the link given here to activate. So sometimes you can click on the link you will land on this page, or else you may have to copy and paste in this browser and enter. You will land on this page. Now just click on activate. Now you can see on the right hand side your login name has come. Now this icon subscribe, you can click on this and you will land on the same page of the course. Now you can say take this course, and now you can see here that the fees has come. Proceed to checkout. On checkout as well, you need to put this information of your billing, wherein the invoice can be sent, like your name, last name. And at present we have PayPal and InstaMojo through which you can pay. There are credit cards accepted here. Then you need to place the order, put your bank details, and once we receive the payment, automatically your course gets started. Now once the payment is done, now you can see here the icon has changed to continue course. So I'll click on the course, and then you will be finding the videos here one after another. At present you can see here. So it may take little time because the videos are HD quality and they are heavy a bit, so you are suggested to have a good internet speed and definitely use headphones. And here you go, just click on the lecture and the lecture starts.
Hello friends, let's start with our stress analysis course.
So I hope this much is sufficient to understand and you are intelligent enough to browse the website. If you have any problem browsing the website, please do not hesitate to contact us on the email address I have given. Thank you very much.